In order to find and manage display settings on POCO X7 Pro, all you need to do is open the settings. Then over here you can go to display and brightness, and here we have all display settings where we can change to the dark mode or light mode, or we can create a schedule for the dark mode by going to dark mode options over here. We can also of course adjust the screen brightness. If you don't use automatic brightness, then you can enable the sunlight mode. And if you wish to, then of course you can turn on the automatic brightness as well. We have some screen options as well, like we can use a different color scheme. So if you wish to have more vivid colors, for instance, or more saturated colors, then you have the option to do so. We have the reading mode, which is the blue light filter that turns your screen orange-ish so that it prevents your eyes from looking at the blue light for so long. Especially this is useful at night, of course. And we can adjust the refresh rate. We have some AI tools like the super resolution for video upscaling, we have the HDR enhancement, and we have the additional frames to videos. However, in this case, we also need to enable video toolbox. And some font settings as well, so we can press font in order to open the theme store with fonts, or we can go to the font settings in order to adjust the size or the font style itself. And that's pretty much it. If you're looking for more personalization options, then of course you have this option over here, where you can use a different wallpaper, where you can enable always on display, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!